Are you ready to take the leap into the world of video production and you don't know where to start? Then keep watching because this one's for you. From Filestage, and in this video I will walk you through the video production process from start to finish. And you might be wondering, what does he actually mean by saying the video production process? Well, it's the process of creating any video. It can be a film, it can be a podcast, it can be a video like this one that I am recording for you right now, it can be a short video for social media, anything. It can simply be any video that you want to publish and put out there. So let's get started. The video production process is broken down into three parts. The first one is the pre-production and is the longest part of the process. And yes, you heard me right. Most of the people believe that the actual recording, the actual production of the video is the most time-consuming part of the process, but it's not. The pre-production phase is the key to success. Why? In this time of the process, you're gonna determine what you're going to produce, who your audience will be, what resources you're gonna use, what is your timeline, and what is your budget. I know it sounds a bit overwhelming, but here are a few tips that we follow while we produce our own videos. The most important part is to define the objectives of the video. Why are you making this video? Determine who your audience is and research what are their interests, what are their common problems, and what they usually like to watch. Then you should start thinking about the creative part. Decide on your creative approach and start brainstorming what your video would look like and what it will be included. Write your script and create a storyboard to visualize and have a clear image about how your video will look like in the end. This is going to be also really useful for the post-production process, but we are going to talk about it a bit later. An extra tip here: if your video is live action and not animated, then take some time to plan everything you need for the shooting based on your availability and the deadlines. Once that's done, it's time to move on to the next phase. Production. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Allow plenty of time ahead of your shoot to place your camera and your lighting at the selected location. If you're moving between different locations and you are taking different types of shots, make sure that you factor enough setup time in your schedule so that you will not end up running out of time. It's always worth having a test run before you actually start recording so that you will make sure that everything is in place and you are ready to go. And action! You can now switch the camera on and start filming. And here we are at the last stage, which is the post-production. This one is all about getting your footage, editing it, and making sure that it's reviewed and approved before you actually publish the video. When you start editing, you should always refer to your storyboard and to your script. This way, you will make sure that you have all the necessary clips, all the necessary shots, and you are following the initial plan. Also, you might need to add some extra graphics, record a voiceover, or add some background music to make your video more engaging. Once you're happy, you can share the video with your manager, with your customer, with your team, or anyone else that needs to review it before you hit the publish button. And you might be wondering, what is the best way to send them the video and collect all their feedback in one place? And I have the solution for that, which is Filestage. In our platform, you can collect feedback right on top of your content with automated timestamps to save you time between versions. You can also collaborate in the comments to get aligned before the next edit. And with status indicators for each reviewer, you always know exactly where you are in the review process. Sounds cool, right? Check the link in the description to sign up for your free trial. And that's all. After your video is approved, you are ready to publish. You can also promote it via your website, social media, and newsletter to make sure that it reaches your desired audience. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you find this video helpful and you are ready to start producing your videos. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more video tips. Bye!